Assalamualaikum dear viewers. If you are Bangladeshi, then you have heard about Tawhid Afridi, the great YouTuber of Bangladesh. Well, do you notice that this punch sound effect is used in short films and dramas? And today we will learn this thing through mobile. Welcome dear viewers. Now you can ask the question, Ali brother, where we can find this punch sound effect now is also copyright free? For this we will go to Google Chrome and search YouTube audio library. From here we will choose the first website, go to effect section and search for punch. Then we have to download the third number or face hit series. I understand everything brother, but how can we put it in our video? Good question. For this we can use any editing app. In this case we will go KineMaster. From here tap the plus, then select the first aspect ratio, then select a video from here. After selecting, we need to find out where the injury is being inflicted. Then put the timeline there, click audio, go down, then you can find face hit series and just click here and again click to plus, then tap to right. So here we know the punch sound effect comes many times, so we have to make it single. For this first we have to listen this audio. After listening, put the timeline there and we have to tap on the clip, then go down from here and tap to trim or split, then tap to trim to right of play hit and tap to right. Then we can do another thing, we can down its audio level, then we have to just export it. Many thanks for watching this video. This process I have taught you today is not just about using copyright free punch sound effect like Tawhid Afridi's brother. You can use any sound effect in your video. Anyway, so far today's video, I hope I have been able to help those of you who are new, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, set the notification to all, and I am Alif with you. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.